Why do tourists visit this place? Surigao Island is a paradise for adventure and nature lovers. The island offers ecotourists a wide range of activities.
Why do tourists visit this place? Surigao Island is a paradise for adventure and nature lovers. The island offers ecotourists a wide range of activities, including surfing, paddleboarding, kayaking, snorkeling, and diving.
Sir, what would be the best of a day trip? Surigao offers the variety of guilt-free option of the travelers of mix of relaxation, adventure, and also the natural beauty.
What should one do for a good night out in Siargao? First, visit General Luna. General Luna is one main tourist area in Siargao and offer a vibrant nightlife scene. Second, check out the night markets. Siargao has night markets where you can find delicious local street food, fresh seafood, and handmade craft. Third, attend a beach bonfire. Many resorts and beachfront establishments in Siargao organize beach bonfires at night. Fourth, try out a rooftop bars. Siargao has a few rooftop bars that offer stunning views of the island and ocean. Fifth, join a pub crawl. If you're looking to meet new people and explore multiple bars in one night, consider joining a pub crawl.
Where can visitors get the best food? There are the best food in Siargao. 1. Bulalo. 2. Smoothie bowls. 3. Black mahay-mahay with bango salsa. And 5. Stick sauce chili beef.
Where the visitors buy their souvenirs. There's souvenir shops such as Guapitos, Patlips, or Gabas, among many others.
What outdoor activities are famous? Cyclist is a fantastic outdoor activity that offers a variety of experience from leisurely rides on paved paths to trailing adventures on mountaineering, biking trails. It's a wonderful way to stay active, discover new places, and breathe in the fresh air.
That is amazing weather of Siargao. Siargao Island, one of the enchanting tropical paradise in the Philippines, is blessed with a warm and unique climate all year round. It is a tropical rainforest. Climate means a lot of sunshine, heat, and make it lush and
Here during summer. The best thing to do during summer is going on vacation and go to beach with your family.
What do tourists say about the vacation spot in Siargao? Tourists rave about Siargao's stunning beaches, world-class surfing, and laid-back island